it occurred to me I could just pull the fresh wire in when I withdraw the old wire. So taping straight on, the end of the old wire is right under here. Wrap the tape around the fresh wire, and I've got a little bit extra, but I'm making sure that I don't have, I'm not taping the wires side by side because I want to make sure that it's not too fat to get through whatever passages are in there. And now we can turn around to the front of the machine and get fat, low profile bit into this big screw. So this big screw came out, and now the I don't know how the light, I thought that this would pop out, but apparently there's a tube on it. See that tube where it dropped out? Now I'm get a flashlight and peer. Oh, okay. Well, that's exciting. Alright, it's impossible to see in there, but this tube here actually goes up and over the top of the main shaft in the machine. So there's never enough clearance for that tube to come out. So instead, we're going to have to resort to putting this screw back in, and there's one screw on the back side of this, underneath of this light fixture, and it's also very loose. Maybe that is a 2/2. All right. Oh yeah, okay, this light fixture is... We did have to take the big screw out. And then I'm going to be able to polish that up. But there's a second smaller screw that came out. And with both of those screws out... Yeah. Okay, it feels like there's something else holding this. Oh, there's one more screw in the face here. Yeah. I'm going to say 2 screws didn't seem like enough for this fixture. So, there. 3 screws, and now this bottom plate came off, and the lamp body pops out, and we can work. Oh, okay. I need a much longer thing to poke in there. Alright, I gotta find something really long to poke in there to get this new wire to pop up over the drive shaft here. I don't think you can see in there, but I guess I need something real long to help fish this wire in. Okay. Everything has been cleaned, so I'm gonna start by reassembling the head of this machine. We got this, I stuck the presser foot clamp and thread cutter on, and then there's this long screw that went in this hole, and it comes out there. We're going to need that when we put the head on the machine and we need to adjust the needle location. But for now, we'll slip our tensioner in place. And that big floppy spring on the back, and then, oh, come on. There's the hook on the front here and then the pin on the back. And then with that big spring inside, it's got a key hole in the nut there. So you have to rotate that so it slips into the hole on the spring. And then the tension adjusting lever. There. Just set that on a bench and then it'll hold its place. There. This screw, I believe, is the one that came out of that hole. And then with that in place, there we go, Needlebar, and since I cleaned everything, dab oil when we put it in. The needle bar has a dimple in it, and that's where this short set screw that came out of the needle bar goes. So when you're trying to hit a dimple like that, what you can do is put your set screw in finger tight when you think you're near the dimple, and then try to wiggle it. And if that set screw hit the dimple, it won't move. Whereas if I had missed that dimple, I'd be able to slide this all over. And then you can see it wiggles a little bit, and then as you tighten it, you can keep trying to wiggle it, and that will get that set screw further into the dimple until it's all centered up. And then once you've got it centered up, you can snug it into place. You got the second set screw that goes down through the center of the crank there. Although for some reason I thought that was a bit further in, but that is the set screw that came out of that location, so that must be how far it goes. Alright. Now, I'm going to turn over and get the rest of our tensioner assembled. Get our spring here, and it goes in like that because it's got a turned up tab that fits into the slit on this adjuster here. So slip that part way in, put our on there with our tab. Okay, that is in place. So I use our oiling pin as a pick there, and lost the tab on that when I put it in. Alright. Now I'm gonna have trouble getting the spring to pop. There's the spring popped through, and then and then I set a screw aside and there it is. I'm pretty sure that's the screw. Okay. Okay, I gotta go back and look at my old footage to see how this goes together, because I don't remember which way up this little disc goes. Thought it went this way, but that clearly wasn't correct. So, alright, I'm gonna go take a look at all that.